Meanwhile, the police say this is not the first time the lottery scammers have lured unsuspecting victims to Jamaica.
A joint investigation that we carried out with our international counterparts for the past 2.5 years, which led to the arrest of Deonville O'Hara, OC DJ Wawa, and 25 other persons. Of the 26 individuals indicted, 16 of these persons are Jamaicans, 10 of whom were arrested in 2012 by the Lottery Scam Task Force.
And Detective Corporal Watson put an end to speculation about the reasons behind popular local disc jockey ZJ Wawa being detained in the United States.
O'Hara, OC DJ Wawa, who was returning to Jamaica from the United States in November of 2012, was intercepted by the Custom Enforcement team at the Sangsters International Airport. And he was found with 105,000 United States dollars in his possession, which is allegedly proceeds of a lottery scam.